How to find the nearby Snapchat users. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to find and add nearby Snapchat users, previously it could be done by the Snap Map. However, it is not possible now. So let's go for alternative. For this, just tap on the search icon and then search for the location whereby you want to find the Snapchat users. This should now give you the locations and popular places around. Just tap on any of them and view the stories. This way, you will find the Snapchat users who have been to that place or is in that location. And that way, you can find other nearby users of Snapchat. And to add them, you'll also have the option to add friend directly. So, this is how you can find the nearby Snapchat users based on the location. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.